another video, guys, and welcome to the new build for the channel, 2000 Dodge Ram 2500 Cummins turbo diesel. The truck I wanted when I was a kid. I'm super excited to show it, build it, see where it goes. So as always, make sure you stay tuned, like and subscribe, and let's get into it. So what we have is a bone stock 2000 Ram 2500 with the 24 valve Cummins. Now this truck does have 248,000 miles, which is quite a bit. So it's not going to be perfect, but it's a pretty rust-free truck for the most part. The frame, everything looks really good. We don't have any cab corner rust, wheel well rust that I've seen. So I'm pretty excited. For the wheels on this truck, someone has put some Moto Metal. Now there's 16-inch rims, which I'm not really a fan of, but the tires are shot, and we do have some brand new tires coming today. Now these rims do have all the center caps, but we've been doing some little work, some brake work and stuff, trying to get it 100%. So I have the center caps off, but I do have them all. On the front end of this truck, we have a iron and cross bumper. It looks pretty new. I wasn't sure about it at first, but I think we're going to keep it. It's got a big plate for a winch, and we can get some tow hooks to add to the front. And as you can see, the hood, the paint, it's not the greatest. One day down the road here, we're going to be painting this truck, and if I'm still at this house, we're going to be painting it right in that garage. The engine's pretty clean. Now, like a lot of older engines, it does leak. I think it leaks a little bit of everything. I've seen some oil and I've seen some transmission fluid, but whoever had this took care of it. We have a lot of records with it for oil changes, for those transmission fluid changes. So I think it was pretty well taken care of. At least I hope. It seems to run really good. It shifts really good. It is an automatic. It's not the 6-speed or the 5-speed. Batteries, I think they're pretty new. We are going to check the air filter. We're going to be doing in some upcoming videos some oil changes, fuel filter changes. The trans fluid looked good, and we're just going to be going over everything. It is bone stock, like I mentioned, and the best part is this truck has zero blow-by. We did some work on the back end of this truck, and that's going to be coming up in another video, but we had some safety concerns. We got those addressed, we got those fixed, and like I mentioned, we did do some brake work, which included this back right rear tire. So we've got that all kind of picked up, and the only thing I didn't mention that it has on the outside are some side steps, running boards, and I'm not sure if I want to keep them. And then the exhaust, you heard it in the beginning. Someone for now has just cut the exhaust off at the rear axle, so it sounds really good. It is going to stay straight piped. It's not going to have a muffler, but I'm thinking a 4-inch turbo back exhaust, and hopefully that'll be coming soon. For the interior, all 4 doors work. I'm super happy. I did have to fix this door and lube up the other door. We had a connecting rod for the bottom latch on this door that was just not connected. Typical wear on the driver's seat. We'll be replacing everything that's broken. So this piece right here that is broken, even though all the power works, it's just broken on the front clip. So we're going to be getting a new one of these. And then regarding the seat, I need to find a leather shop to get this sewn back up. Typical wear on here, we can get that fixed probably as well. Back seats, carpet, look phenomenal. No tears back here. It has the under storage, which I like, but it did not come with a spare tire or tools. So we're going to be buying that as well. Inside the truck, the dash looks really good, but it is a dash cover, and they did a really shitty job putting it on. So we're gonna be ripping this out. I don't know who did it, but they put screws in the front. You can see the screws, 1, 2, and it's pretty loose. Radio's a little touchy. Heated seats work. All the power seats work, because that's power too. But even the cup holders work. They're clean. All the compartments work. But that's going to wrap it up. Now there's lots of stuff we're going to be doing with this truck, and if you have any comments on what we should do performance wise, whether it's a fast fuel system, playing with the air intakes, the turbos, I don't know. The sky's kind of the limit because it is just a toy truck. And on the outside, typical things like I mentioned, paint. We're going to be doing a rough country 2.5-inch leveling kit. That's coming soon. We've already done some stuff. We're going to be doing some oil changes, getting the interior fixed up, and kind of see where it goes. And we also have some stuff coming for the Silverado. That build is not done. We're always doing a little something. So make sure you stay tuned, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.